Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 2500 headliner. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, clear out the truck's interior, removing any floor mats or personal items that might obstruct your work. Finally, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal kit and a T20 Torx bit, to prepare for the upcoming steps. Now let's tackle the interior trim. Using your trim removal tools, gently pry off the A-pillar and B-pillar trim panels. These usually snap into place, so be patient. Next, unscrew and detach the sun visors and any overhead grab handles. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for dome lights, microphones, or other components attached to these parts. Keep track of all screws. With the trim removed, it's time to detach the headliner itself. Start by removing the rear coat hooks and the overhead console, which often houses additional wiring. Once these are out, carefully begin to lower the headliner from its mounting clips. Work slowly around the perimeter, ensuring all wiring harnesses, especially for the rear dome lights or sunroof controls, are completely disconnected before proceeding. Finally, with everything detached, it's time for the careful extraction. Gently maneuver the headliner out through one of the truck's door openings. This might require tilting it slightly to fit. Once it's out, take a moment to inspect the roof for any remaining adhesive or stray clips that need to be removed. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax after a big project like this, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.